We got John pulling in the crew cab here. The truck is in pieces basically. Doesn't have any brakes. Too lazy to lead the brakes, so we're just gonna try to get it up on the lift with no brakes and you know, go from there, I guess. Got her. We made it. All right, so we got her on the lift. Sent it with no brakes, but we made it. That guy's sleeping over there. Thanks for the help, boss. Taking a little snooze. We get you on the lift. Oh yeah, sent her with no brakes. We made it. Take her nice and easy. Got everything covered up, taped off, cover up the cab, you know. So we're just gotta paint the rear leaf springs because those are new. Gonna get that whole area with the block and the U-bolts and whatnot. Get all those painted, and then it's on the lift because we're gonna put it up in the air and kind of get like the bottom of the axles or anything that's kind of hard when it's on the ground. And then gotta try to get a better coat on like the inner rocker panels there underneath the cab. That's about it. We'll probably come, you know, do the whole cab from the back, and probably come up to like, you know, the front fender there, and get a nice coat, nice thick coat underneath there, make that look a little bit better. But yeah, we're about ready for paint. I'm going to put it up in the air and kind of see how everything looks underneath, wipe anything off, and you know, some brake clean if it needs it, and go from there. But, oh yeah, I'm gonna be painting the bed too. I'm gonna kind of focus on mostly the new bed rails. Get a good coat on those, make sure those are nice and coated and protected. And then I'll probably hit like, I'll probably just paint, it might not stick too well, but I'll just paint the whole bottom. And then probably hit the inner fender wells too. The rest of it's got a pretty good coating on it. I'm not too worried about it. Just kind of hit the spots, you know, like up there that are a little more bare metal and whatnot. And try to get it all nice and protected. But yeah, about ready to get painting. Alrighty, so we got everything set up for paint tomorrow. It's a little late, it's like 2:30 or some shit, but we got everything set up. Got some stuff hanging here. Those are the brackets for the front bumper. Got the front sway bar, more brackets for the front sway bar, a couple bolts and whatnot over here. That is the fuel tank skid plate. Touched up a couple spots we missed when we painted it last time. Got all this shit ready to go. Got the bed. We're probably gonna paint. Going to paint. Probably paint the bed first, so we can kind of get used to the spray gun. Yeah. Let me tell you that too. I decided to paint this and the rest of the frame myself. I just figured it'd be easier, and then kind of get some practice with painting. And it's just a frame. You know, it's not you know, all that complicated like actually painting the body or anything. It's when you gotta do all the prep work and sand it down and buff it and whatnot. So yeah, I decided to do this myself. So yeah, I'm gonna be touching all that up. Went ahead and bought a paint gun, good old Harbor Freight. It was $200 paint gun, so hopefully it's pretty good. Black Widow, professional grade. Now it is a see that HVLP. That is says right on the box, designed more for primer and base coat. So that's what we're pretty much what we're going to be doing. So that'll be good for you know, painting frames or whatever else, shit like that. So that'll be good for me, you know, because I'll be doing more of that. And I think the other type of gun was an HVT, could be wrong. That's more for painting the actual body, doing like clear coats and whatnot. So that's why I got that gun. And then, you know, in case anyone ever comes across that, I believe it's HVT. That's for, again, that is for your like actual body paint with a clear coat. And then this one, the HVLP, is for spraying like undercoating or primer or base coat, whatnot. Got the paint gun all set up. We got no regulator and whatnot. So this is the Cree here. So you're gonna do, this is 2 to 1 to that, and then you thin it out as you like. So this is kind of my first time painting, so let's see how this goes. You can probably you wanna watch me mix it or whatever.
Give it the old razzle dazzle.
The old razzle dazzle. Alrighty fellas, we are all done painting here. Give you a final little walk around. Everything's looking nice. Very nice, very nice. Nice coat of black. Hopefully she won't rust. Bed looks nice. We did another coat. We kind of got inside the inner fender wells, or inner bed sides a little better. Gave her a nice coat. Coated the fuck out of it. You know what I'm saying? She looks nice though, really does. Looking good. Much better. I mean, definitely not perfect and didn't have a lot to work with, but we made it work the best we could, and I'm pretty happy with it. It looks good. It'll be nice to get this thing on. Looks very nice. Let's touch up some of the bed liner on the inside. I got a little toasty from Kyluch welding, but hey, it is what it is. All part of the process, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bed is done, looking good. Can't wait to get this thing on. That would be very nice. Airing out the shop here. Gonna get bitched at for a paint smell tomorrow. Hopefully it don't smell like paint, but let me the frame is looking good, man. Kind of painted the leaf springs. I'll show you all the light. There's lights up front. Walk around here. Got that done. Oh, fucking whore. Damn it. Catching the mic on shit. Looks good though, dude. Very nice. Got a nice coat of paint. I'm gonna grab a light. Make sure I don't trip over here. Looking very nice. A little bit up to the front. Looking, oh man, my shoulder's like sore from whole spraying the paint gun all day. Oops, sorry, with the light in there. Looking good though. Well, the video probably don't do it justice, but really looks nice, man. Yeah, we gotta do this to all our trucks now. Kyluch's new truck, the Mega Slab. Still need to do a video on that Mega Slab. Let me hop up under here, or crawl up under here. I ain't exactly hopping under it, you know what I'm saying? Nice coat of paint on everything. Got it real heavy in here. Really kind of covers everything up. Let me see if I can get you a good shot. Not blinded like I probably just did. Yeah. Don't know if the camera's really gonna do it justice, but oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah, it looks real good. Just all black. Full coat covering up everything. Looks very nice. Got the other side all done as well. Oh boy. Oh yeah, very nice. Very nice. I hope that comes out good. Oh man, my arm's sore. Sure thing. But yeah, paint is done. They're looking good. Finally making some progress here on the crew cab. Big steps, big steps. That light's gonna blind you, isn't it? No, it's not. Ha. Big steps. Really happy to have the bed done. I hate holding the camera like this. Where are you, Vaughn? Why are you plowing? You rat bastard. Oh man. Big steps, man. Big steps. We are finally getting somewhere with this thing. So next steps are we can put the exhaust on, finish up the rear suspension, you know, shocks and the skid plate there, get all that bullshit put back on, kind of finish up the rear end of the truck, and then we got to get my man Otis here going to paint the front of the bed and the back of the cab. Probably gonna give him a hand with that, take a little body shop lesson. You know, that's got to get you know, color change to the color of the truck, and then back of the cab is a little scratched up, dented up from taking off the bed, and just to make it look nice, you know, while the bed's off. So but yeah, that is it. Frame paint all finished up. Oh, that's a cool shot right there. I like it. We are making progress. I like it. Yeah, I'm gonna finish cleaning up here, pull that all the plastic off, and then tomorrow we'll be rolling it back into the wash bay probably. Start putting the rear end of the frame back together, and get rolling. Just probably waiting on my man Otis. Get in here, painting, and then yeah, can get the bed on, the rear of the frame done. And pretty much at that point, then we'll be pulling the motor. That's the fun part. I like doing motor work. That'll be pretty fun and cool experience. First time pulling the motor, stud to 6.0, learning. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching us paint that frame. Hope you guys are enjoying the vids. Gonna have quite a few coming out. I've had quite a few because this is a few videos. We're a little behind in editing. We were at this time, you know. That's had lots of shit going on the past couple weeks, but yeah, you guys have seen a lot of videos up to this point. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. We're gonna keep the content rolling. We're having fun. The Cuatro Amigos now. But yeah, comment, like, subscribe, share the videos, turn the bell on for notifications so you don't miss anything. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See y'all in the next one.